Okay, I've been struggling with Grogu's necklace, so I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna make it. He has 0 things to do with the video, but I don't want you guys to complain. So let's begin. What up, folks? Tejbz here, and today I have been tasked by Astro to do some really cool unboxing / review and some technical specifics. That is not a word. Specs is the word I was looking for. So we will be doing 3 videos together with Astro. We're gonna be starting with the Astro A50s, which you guys see here on my left-hand camera. Wow, dual cameras, pretty cool. And we're also gonna take a look at the Astro A20 and of course the Astro A40s. But I will unbox a brand new pair as well. These ones are a little modded, but we'll talk more about that in the Astro A40 video. I have basically been brand ambassador for Astro for about 1.5 years, but for brand new viewers who've never tuned into this channel before, hello, my name is Tobias, or Tejbz. I've been doing YouTube videos for over 11 years, and I have been streaming for approx 6 or 7 years. I have been on a couple of breaks, but now I'm going really hard at it. So it's really cool that you find your way to this video. Now let's get into the reason why we're actually here. We got an Astro A50 with the base station. I'm gonna move my microphone a little bit. Let's get in to the unboxing. Okay, I might need a pair of scissors. Did not think this through. I'm also gonna get rid of that. All right, I'll be right back. I need a scissor. Scissor me. All right, so the Astro A50 base station. Where should I put it so this camera sees the most? The mostest. Don't want to show my dad bod too hard, but let's get into it. Sweet. So let's start with a scissor. We have bought a new pair of scissors. Either me or my girlfriend has misplaced it, so you know who I'm blaming on that one. All right, now we got rid of the box, and this is something that's really cool with Astro. It actually comes in a very luxurious extra bonus black box here, and I think it is time. No, we don't even need the scissors. Ooh, did I put it upside down? I did put it upside down. I'm an idiot. I have not been using Astro A50s for a while because I borrowed them to my friend and he uses this for all his gaming and also for like office meetings. So I'm glad he has them. But I'm actually really excited to see this. I have also not seen Astro's like updated kind of packaging. It looks very luxurious if you ask me. Here they are, the headphones, the Astro A50s wireless, and we got the tape, we got everything. It looks very, very, very nice. So there you go, like instantly out of the box, like you can tell that this is some good quality. It feels like heavy. It actually just, there's a certain sensation when you're unboxing something, not only like how it looks. This is a personal preference, not sponsored. I just think this looks very nice, like how it's laying and that you can instantly feel this is some good quality headphones. Obviously, this is not the base station, but the second thing that I'm spotting is a optical cord that you can plug from an optical output into the base station. And we'll get into a little bit of next-gen compatibility later too. Here we got a nice little instruction manual that you definitely should check out when you're setting this up. If you're setting it something like a pair of Astro headphones up for the first time, definitely read like the instruction manual because there's a lot of settings, and especially in the Astro Command Center, which is an app you can download. You can update all your Astro gear. I have used it, for instance, for my Astro C40 controller, which has like back pedals on the back, which as a 32-year-old gamer, it's really hard to start learning how to use the back pedals, but I'm working on it. So this is the base station that I'm holding in right now. There's, as you can see, there's some tape protecting where the headphones go, and this is literally it. This is how tiny it is, and you literally just put your headset, and literally that's how you charge it. And we haven't obviously plugged it in or anything, but that's the basic to it. A little micro USB cable. One thing when I'm like touching the cables, I know this is an Astro cable because I've had Astro for a very, very, very long time, and even their like aux cable, their 3.5 millimeter cable, I have like borrowed and used that when I've been driving in the car or something, because the quality feels so nice. It's kind of like rubbery sticky, if that makes sense. Like, it feels luxurious. So that's literally everything inside the box. We got the base station, we got a micro USB cable for the charging station, and then we got the optical cable that you can connect to, for say, a console or out from your PC if you have that output on your audio card, or motherboard, I should say. Let's do a little voiceover smoothness. Man, I've really tried to do a really cool unboxing video here, so I hope you guys are bearing with me. Look at all these cool shots that I tried to do. You know, I'm a gamer, not a unboxing yet. We'll see. But one of the most important features that I gotta start out by mentioning in the Astro A50s is the game and voice balance. Anyone who's ever had an Astro headset knows exactly what I'm talking about. If you want to turn down your teammates, maybe they're being really loud, or some random dude is in your voice channel, you can just get rid of that. You can turn them down, you can turn up the game, everything with a couple of clicks on your headset. Once you have charged your Astro A50s to the max, you can get 15+ hours of battery time, and with that little flip of a switch, you can change it if it's supposed to be playing on a console or a PC, whatever one you got connected, which is also really cool. Astro A50s are, of course, next-gen compatible, Xbox S and X. They work directly after you update your base station with Astro Command Center, which I definitely recommend you checking out when you pick these headphones up. Astro A50s are also compatible with PlayStation, but hear me out, PlayStation. To get the voice game balance, you do need an Astro HDMI adapter or similar to get HDMI to optical, and it's really easy once you pick it up. All you have to do is connect the HDMIs, and bam, you get an optical out that you can use for your game and voice balance. And you can charge it by plugging it into the USB port, because it needs a little bit of power to keep the audio and the visual quality to the max. Of course, you can get some digital Dolby audio, immerse yourself with some cinematic gaming audio that delivers clarity, sound directionality, and a competitive advantage. Also, something very fun about having wireless headphones is that the Astro A50s has a wireless range of 10 meters. That's right. If you want to prank your friends, you can go to the bathroom, keep talking, and I'll leave the rest of the imagination up to you guys. But it can become some really funny moments. A little feature about the Astro A50s that not that many people know is that they're also moddable, which means that Astro provides a nice little mod kit where you can buy some new ear cups with some synthetic leather that's gonna block out even more sound to your surrounding. It's a big problem sometimes when my girlfriend is talking to me, I have to take off my headset. It's not a big problem. I guess maybe she's the one that should have noise cancelling headphones, because I am definitely loud when I play video games. Woo! 9 kill streak boy. Men vad fan kunde inte någon hålla? Alright, I think I pretty much said everything that I can think of from this Astro A50s, including the base station that we've been taking a little look-see at. There's plenty of more, like how to set it up. I also forgot to film during my little unboxing thing that you actually get another HDMI cable with when you buy that HDMI to optical adapter from Astro, which is great. That they're kind of like, okay, you didn't put optical stuff on your new consoles? Astro got you. It's just a lovely headset, and even though I know that I am an ambassador for Astro, trust me, I really like these headphones. I think they're super comfortable, great sound, and also if you are into wireless things, you know, you can wear these headphones and still talk when you're in the bathroom, which a lot of my teammates do when they have wireless headphones. You can hear some really weird stuff too, but that is on you if you decide to go down that route. Now, thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Astro, for letting me review and unbox these lovely headphones. Now, on to the next one. Drop a like, and if there's anything you're wondering about my audio setup or something like that, feel free to comment, and I'll try to spread my knowledge as best as I can.